Everybody was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas started name calling.